Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Students, today we will learn how to make PowerPoint presentation in your mobile phone by using Microsoft PowerPoint app. As many of the students are not having access to desktop or laptop in their home, so it is difficult for them to do any practical work. So I am making a video. In this way you can make PowerPoint presentation in your mobile phone also. So for that, first you need to download the app from Play Store. I will share a link for that app and you can download it from there. Now we will open Microsoft PowerPoint app like this. Students, as you all got your username and ID for Microsoft from your class teacher, so you can use that ID and password to log in this app also. इस ऐप में अगर आप लॉगिन कर लेंगे तो सारे फीचर्स आपको एक्सेस होंगे, क्योंकि फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर में कुछ लिमिटेड फीचर्स ही दिए रहते हैं. अगर आप लॉगिन कर लेंगे तो आपको सारे फीचर्स आप यूज़ कर पाएंगे. फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू प्रेजेंटेशन, click on this plus button. From here we can choose different styles, different designs for our presentation. You can also change this design after opening the presentation. Let's choose this one. Here your first slide is open. Now suppose we want to create a presentation on Janmashtami. So first I will write down the heading of our presentation. So for that I will click under this placeholder like this. Now I will write Janmashtami. Okay. Now if you want to change the writing, change font style, font size, you can use this option. You can see a small orange color arrow here. Click on that and from here you can change the writing. You can change the size. Let's take smaller size than 80. Let's take 72. No. Okay. If you want to change the color, you can also do that. If you want to change the alignment, you can do this from here. Okay. If you want to change the layout of the slide, you can also do it from here. यहाँ से आप अपनी चॉइस का लेआउट चूज कर सकते हैं. Now let's see how our slide is looking. Okay, if I want to move the placeholder, I can also do that by this way. This placeholder is of no use for me, so I can delete it. Just click once on the placeholder and click on delete button. You can also add animation effects. Click on this arrow, orange color arrow. Go to the animation tab. Choose any animation effect which you want. Okay. You can also add transition effects like this. Okay. Now if you want to add picture in your PowerPoint presentation, you can also do that. Click on this arrow, go to insert tab, click on picture, click on photos, choose from here. You go to the recent or any folder in your mobile in which your pictures are saved. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू रीसेंट, क्योंकि मैंने रिसेंटली जो जो पिक्चर्स डाउनलोड किए हैं वो यहाँ पे शो होंगे. आई विल चूज़ दिस इमेज एज इट इज़ compatible with my presentation. Click on done. Resize this image, place it where you want, and that's it. I can also add animation effects in my picture. Go to the animation tab, choose any animation effect you want for your picture. Okay. Now if you want to add second slide, click on this plus button. From here you can insert as many as slides you want. If you want to delete any slide, click on that, hold it and click delete. If you want to write anything about Janmashtami, you can also write. Now as our presentation is created, let's see how to see the slideshow. For that we will click on this option at the top bar, middle option. This option is of slideshow. Click on it. Like in computer you use mouse for changing the slide. Here I will just tap on the screen on the right side and the slide will change and the slideshow will run. We didn't add anything in second slide, so it is blank. So इस तरह से हम लोग इसमें क्रिएट करते हैं पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. यू कैन सेव इट यूजिंग दीज 3 dots. Click on save as, choose a location, give a proper name to your presentation, PPT on Janmashtami. Click on save. Okay. If you want to share this presentation with your teacher, then click on this 3 dot button, click on share, click on full document, click on presentation, and the different options for sharing a file will shown here. You can share it in WhatsApp or Teams as you want. So students, make a PowerPoint presentation properly in your laptop or mobile. अगर आप लैपटॉप में बना रहे तो भी मुझे सेंड कर सकते हैं through WhatsApp. I will send my email ID also. If you know how to email, then you can send your presentation in my email ID also. And do your practical work very nicely. Complete your work, complete your presentation. You will get marks on this. I will keep noting the names of the students who are sending me the work regularly. This is your practical work. Okay, students, don't forget to write your name on the first slide. फर्स्ट स्लाइड जो है वहाँ पे आप अपना नेम ज़रूर टाइप कर दीजिएगा. Click on this option, go to home tab, click on insert, click on text box. ये एक छोटा सा टेक्स्ट बॉक्स आ गया है. इसको हम लोग, इसमें आप अपना नेम टाइप करिए. और इसको आप स्लाइड में कॉर्नर पे प्लेस कर दीजिएगा like this. Don't forget to mention your name and class on the slide. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.